Real talk, I went into the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 skeptical. Here is what actually happened. But here's the thing, this machine is a total game changer for anyone who wants to take their gaming and creativity to the next level. First off, let's talk about the design. The matte basalt black finish is incredibly stylish. But it's not just about looks. The real magic happens when you customize that lighting. And honestly, Alien FX lighting zones make the Aurora ACT1250 look like a whole new beast. You can create stunning stadium lighting effects that will get everyone in the room talking. But what really sets this apart is how seamlessly it integrates with your entire gaming ecosystem. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just chillin', Alienware Command Center software lets you create and edit custom light shows that will make you feel like a total boss. Now, I put this baby through its paces in some serious marathon gaming sessions. We're talking 12 hours straight of pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics delivered buttery smooth performance, and the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor left me awestruck. It's an absolute powerhouse that never faltered. And let me tell you, this machine can keep up with even the most demanding games. I threw everything at it, from Fortnite to Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and it handled every frame like a pro. The heat exchanger? Forget about it. 240 millimeters of cooling goodness kept temperatures in check even during those grueling sprints. The bottom line is this: if you're serious about taking your gaming and creativity to the next level, do yourself a favor and get your hands on the Alienware Aurora ACT1250. It's worth every penny, trust me. But here's the thing. If you're one of those people who settles for mediocrity, then this might not be for you. If you want to waste your money on some subpar gaming rig that'll leave you feeling frustrated and disappointed, be my guest. So listen, if you want to experience the ultimate in gaming performance and style, do yourself a favor and grab the Alienware Aurora ACT1250. It's a total game changer, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a fanboy. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to, then grab it through the link below. Appreciate you watching.